model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited Factory Crew Cab None Runner Cam Wet Belt Snapped No Vat. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 168636. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start, wet belt timing belt has snapped grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: alloy wheels, cruise control, 3 keys, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Contact us, 015643346.